Google Cybersecurity Certification Practice Questions. Set 3. Question 1. Which of the following is a key principle of security? A. Confidentiality. B. Authentication. C. Integrity. D. Availability. The correct answer is A. Confidentiality. Confidentiality ensures that only authorized users can access sensitive data. Question 2. What does DDoS stand for? A. Distributed denial of service. B. Data destruction of service. C. Digital denial of service. D. Distributed data service. The correct answer is A. Distributed denial of service. A DDoS attack overwhelms a target server with traffic to cause disruption. Question 3. What does SSL stand for? A. Secure Socket Layer. B. Secure Service Layer. C. System Security Layer. D. Service Security Link. The correct answer is A. Secure Socket Layer. SSL encrypts data between servers and clients to protect data during transfer. Question 4. What does the CIA triad represent in cybersecurity? A. Confidentiality, integrity, availability. B. Confidentiality, information, authentication. C. Cryptography, integrity, availability. D. Consistency, integrity, availability. The correct answer is A. Confidentiality, integrity, availability. The CIA triad forms the foundation of cybersecurity principles for data protection. Question 5. What is the primary function of a VPN? A. To block unwanted traffic. B. To encrypt communication. C. To monitor network activity. D. To increase network bandwidth. The correct answer is B. To encrypt communication. A VPN secures your internet connection by encrypting data for privacy. Question 6. Which of these is not a common malware type? A. Trojan horse. B. Spyware. C. Phishing. D. Worms. The correct answer is C. Phishing. Phishing is a form of social engineering, not malware. Question 7. What is the role of an intrusion detection system? A. Monitor network traffic for suspicious activities. B. Encrypt network data. C. Prevent unauthorized access. D. Maintain system backups. The correct answer is A. Monitor network traffic for suspicious activities. IDS detects potential threats by analyzing network traffic patterns. Question 8. What is the purpose of least privilege in security? A. Allow users full system access. B. Grant the minimum access necessary to perform tasks. C. Monitor users' activities. D. Disable user accounts after inactivity. The correct answer is B. Grant the minimum access necessary to perform tasks. The least privilege principle limits access to reduce risk. Question 9. What is the function of a firewall? A. Encrypt sensitive data. B. Block or allow network traffic based on rules. C. Monitor employee internet usage. D. Store system passwords. The correct answer is B. Block or allow network traffic based on rules. Firewalls control traffic flow and prevent unauthorized access to networks. Question 10. Which attack uses social manipulation to obtain sensitive information? A. Phishing. B. Malware. C. DDoS. D. Man in the middle. The correct answer is A. Phishing. Phishing involves tricking individuals into revealing confidential information through deceptive communications. Question 11. What is the role of multi-factor authentication? A. Ensure data encryption. B. Confirm the identity of users through multiple verification methods. C. Monitor user activities. D. Track system vulnerabilities. The correct answer is B. Confirm the identity of users through multiple verification methods. MFA strengthens authentication by requiring multiple forms of verification. Question 12. Which of the following is a common type of cyber attack? A. Data backup. B. Social engineering. C. Email filtering. D. Security patching. The correct answer is B. Social engineering. Social engineering manipulates people into revealing sensitive information, bypassing technical safeguards. Question 13. What does a man-in-the-middle attack involve? A. Stealing encrypted data. B. Intercepting and altering communication between two parties. C. Blocking access to a website. D. Creating fake data. The correct answer is B. Intercepting and altering communication between two parties. A man-in-the-middle attack intercepts communications and may alter the content. Question 14. What is the purpose of a honeypot? A. Detect malware. B. Lure and monitor attackers. C. Encrypt data. D. Increase bandwidth. The correct answer is B. Lure and monitor attackers. Honeypots simulate vulnerable systems to attract and trap malicious actors. Question 15. Which of these is a best practice for securing passwords? A. Use easily memorable passwords. B. Use unique passwords for different accounts. C. Write passwords on paper. D. Share passwords with trusted colleagues. The correct answer is B. Use unique passwords for different accounts. Using different passwords ensures one breach doesn't compromise all accounts. Question 16. Which tool can detect vulnerabilities in a network? A. Intrusion detection system. B. Antivirus software. C. Backup system. D. Firewall. The correct answer is A. Intrusion detection system. An IDS analyzes network traffic for signs of potential vulnerabilities or attacks. Question 17. What does ransomware do? A. Encrypts files and demands payment for decryption. B. Scans for malicious files. C. Manages user authentication. D. Installs system updates. The correct answer is A. Encrypts files and demands payment for decryption. Ransomware encrypts data and demands ransom for restoring access. Question 18. What is a zero-day exploit? A. A type of malware. B. An attack exploiting an unknown vulnerability. C. A virus that spreads rapidly. D. A phishing attack. The correct answer is B. An attack exploiting an unknown vulnerability. Zero-day exploits take advantage of unpatched, unknown vulnerabilities in software. Question 19. What is the function of a security audit? A. Increase bandwidth. B. Assess and improve security posture. C. Encrypt sensitive data. D. Monitor network traffic. The correct answer is B. Assess and improve security posture. Security audits examine systems for vulnerabilities and improve overall security. Question 20. Which of the following is a form of social engineering? A. Phishing. B. Firewall. C. Encryption. D. Antivirus software. The correct answer is A. Phishing. Phishing manipulates people into revealing confidential information by exploiting trust.